Product name, 3D pen filament 320 feet, 16 colors, each color 20 feet, 250 stencils ebooks 3D printing pen PLA refills 1.75 mm, high precision diameter and kid-safe material, fit for SCRIB 3D P1 and MYNT 3D. The Decali Filament Stencils Best Thing Robotics is a set of 16 colors of 3D pen filament, each color measuring 20 feet, along with 250 stencils and ebooks. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The filament is made of high-quality PLA material, which is safe for children and adults. The filament is available in a variety of colors, allowing you to create colorful and detailed 3D prints. The filament is easy to use and comes with a variety of stencils and ebooks to help you get started. The filament is reasonably priced. Negatives. Some users have reported that the filament can be brittle and break easily. Some users have reported that the filament can be difficult to feed through the pen. Overall, the Decali Filament Stencils Best Thing Robotics is a great choice for those who want a variety of high-quality 3D pen filament colors at an affordable price. Price, $17.99.